Now we are going to learn about HTML comments. HTML comments. HTML comments are not displayed in the browsers, but they can help documents your HTML source code. You can add comments to your HTML source by using the following segment. Syntax, following syntax. Like I am writing here some text. This is heading. I'm writing something here like where I am. Control S. This is the comment that is not displayed in the browser. Let's take one more example. This is a comment start and end. Paragraph Lorem. Control S. Paragraph is showed with the browser, but the comment are not displayed on the browser. You can use this comment for hide more than one line or everything between the comment section. I am going to hide this paragraph. Control S. That's not invisible. Now we are going to learn about HTML colors. HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, hexa, SSL, RGBA, and SSLA values. Let's take heading like this is hello world. style background color red, simple. Background color is red. Text color. Text for text color, right? Let's see here. Yellow or color red. Border color. Border like 2 pixel solid red. Color with RGB. H1 COL with RGB. RGB means red, green, blue. In HTML, a color can be specified as an RGB value using this formula, like RGB, red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue. Each parameter red, green, and blue defines the intensity of the color with a value between 0 to 255. This means that there are 2056 and 2056. In total, possible colors are 1,67,077, 1,67,000, 7,77,216 colors. For an example, background color RGB. Take a simple value 255 0 0 is displayed as red because red is set to its highest value. This defines the red, this one defines the green, and this one defines the blue. So 255 is the highest value of red, and the color to green and blue is 0. Let's check it out. Background color RGB, Ctrl S. Another example, RGB red equals 0, green 255, and blue 0. It will display as green. Let's take one more example. Red and green is blue. Red and green is 0 value, and blue is 255. So color with RGB is done. You can take one more example. Now I am going to learn about hexacolor. ACX. Color with ACX. A hexadecimal color is specified with hash RRGGBB. Where RR means red. RR means the red, GG means the green, and BB means the blue. Hexadecimal integers specify the components of the color. Hexacolor value. In HTML, a color can be specified using a hexadecimal value in this form. Where RR is red, GG is green, and BB is blue are hexadecimal values between 0 and FF, same as decimal 0 to 255. For an example, background color with hexadecimal hashtag FF, I mean red is FF and green is 00, in decimal 00, and blue is 00. Let's check it out. Color is hexadecimal. One more example. 00, 00, 00, 00. It will be black. To display black, it will be 00, 0. To display white, set all color parameters to FFF. Background is white. Color with HSL and HSLA colors. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. HSL colors value in HTML color can be specified using hue, saturation, and lightness in the form. In this form, I'm going to write this form HSL hue, saturation, lightness. Hue is a degree on the color wheel for 0 to 360. 0 is red and 120 is green and 240 is blue. Saturation is the percentage with percentage value. 0% means a shade of gray and 100% is the full of color. Lightness is also a percentage value. 0% is black and 100% is white. Let's take an example. HSL 0 and 20% and 50%. Background color is changed. Let's take one more example. Zero, 0%, 50%. Color with HSL a colors value. HSLA. HSL colors value are an extension of HSL color value with an alpha channel, which specifies the opacity for a color. HSL a color value is specified with HSL A. H hui, S means saturation and L means lightness, and A means alpha. Let's give here some example, like the alpha parameters is a number between 0 to 0.0 fully transparent and 1.0 not transparent at all. .5, 0.5. Control S and let's check it out. I'm going to write on difference like 9, 100%. It will be 64% and 0.5 or 0.5 or 6. Control S and let's check it out. Let's compare it with HSL and HSLA. This one is HSL. I'm going to change the color. 0, 100% and 25%. With the same color. Point on or 0.5. Control S and check the difference in these two colors. This one is HSL and this one is HSLA. I hope you understand.